Alright guys, so I grabbed the 50mm lens for my Canon SL2, but I didn't get the nifty 50. I got this lens right here. Is that Yongnuo? Yongnuo? This is the brand. This thing costs $48 and it's directly compatible. It's a direct competition for Canon, and I've seen lots of videos on this thing, but I wanted to get my own. And I didn't take my Canon to CES because my batteries didn't come in and this lens didn't come in. This lens is known for doing a bunch of bokeh and things like that. 50mm lenses, you can get some really good depth of field. It's just a really good lens. You can see how big the deep it is. This is something that I was really interested in. I had a choice. I said, you know, I can go ahead and spend $100+. It came to like 150 with tax or something like that, or 150 bucks. I don't know what the nifty 50 officially costs. It's around 150 bucks though. And you can see this lens here has autofocus and manual focus. And it's got lots of branding all over it. It's the f1.8. As you can see there. And it's directly compatible. It goes on easy. You can see it's made of plastic. This is why they can keep it so cheap in price. And it has really nice photos can come from this and video. And I'm going to show you here. Again, I was pretty happy about this lens. Let me show you how small this lens is, I guess, compared to the kit lens. You can see how it is. So this company has got another lens I'll probably check out as well. It's about 170. It's a lens for long distance shooting, and I'm really probably going to check that out. But I've been using this lens, taking lots of photos. I've been posting some on social media, and some of you guys, I didn't tell you that it was this lens, but now that you know, how do you feel about that? Quality is quality, right? So in this video, I'm going to demo some lots of photos, and I'm also going to show you a video with this lens, so you can, show you how to get that bokeh effect that some of you guys really enjoy. The only thing about this lens is you have to position the camera really far away, because this lens is zoomed in so much. It is really zoomed in, and that's just the way this lens is. That's even with the regular 50mm lens from Canon, that is how it is. So another thing about this lens is the motor is a lot louder. It doesn't have the STM, but to me, that's a trade-off that I'm willing to do. I saved $100 bucks, and I still get the effect that I want. So take a look at this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and just keep watching. Alright guys, so here is the 50mm lens on the Canon SL2. So as you can see, this is probably a really clear video, but the only issue with me is that the camera is very far away. I mean, very far away. So it's not a problem, but if you want to get that bokeh effect, you need to come a little closer to the camera. So keep your eyes on the Eagles logo and just my background in general. So you see? Very easy to do bokeh. Yes. And this lens is a little bit louder. It's a little bit louder because it doesn't have the STM motor inside. So, but for me, that $100 or $80 difference trade-off is totally worth it. I really would just use this for photos, for bokeh effect or something like that. You can hear the motor in here when I'm not in focus and it's trying to focus. It actually focuses faster than what I've heard some people say. But audio quality, obviously I have an external mic going on here. But this is the quality that you can get from this $48 lens. Totally worth it. I mean, the Nifty 50 is fine. I posted some photos. I also posted a couple of photos on social media, and I didn't say that it was this lens. I didn't tell people that it was this lens. I just said, you know, 50mm lens, and everybody said, oh my gosh, that's stunning. Now what do you think? Do you think you made a smart purchase if you did not buy this little affordable lens for 48 bucks and went with the official Nifty 50? Or do you think you'd trade out, and is it worth trading out? I don't know, you tell me. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.